And we're not yet done with this keyboard. So a couple of weeks ago, I made a video about this keyboard where I fixed some of the keys. I think that was the NM, these keys, not the shift. The shift was okay. Caps lock and the function key, because they're not working. Actually, that's not all of the problems of this keyboard. This is an Asus Cerberus Mark I, which I bought used from some dude from Facebook. The other problem with this keyboard is that the keys are a bit stiff. It's a bit hard to press. It's like, it's not smooth. So it's difficult. You won't be able to see it from the screen, but I bought here a weighing scale. We're gonna use this to show you how much weight does it take to press a key. So we'll turn this on and tear it. Oh, remember, out of battery? No, it's not out of battery. There. Showing 0 right now. If I press P slowly until it presses down. See, that's 133 grams. Normally a keyboard would take around 50 to 70 maybe. 50 to 70 grams. And this P key here is taking 133 grams. Now let's try I. I is okay, it's 67. K is like it's 80. L, 75. Enter is 30. How about Q? It's 130. You get the idea. It's difficult to press. Now, I mean, for comparison, let's check out my other keyboard that's not this problematic. Alright, this is my other keyboard. It's an okay keyboard. Don't have problems with it. We press P. 60 grams. Okay, my focus is broken. Okay, there it is. 50 grams. 50 grams. 80. Is it 80 or just 60 grams? So it doesn't take like 100 plus grams. So this is the normal force that you'd need to press down a key in a keyboard. That's around 50 to 70. So how do we go about fixing this problem? If there's something that you want to move that's not moving or it's not moving properly, you use this, the WD-40. And we're not just going to spray it in like that. We are going to open it again. It's exhausting to open these things. There's way too many screws. But we have to do it to fix this problem. Okay, so if you're planning to open up a keyboard like this one, keep in mind that there's a screw here, here, and here. So you need to take a flat metal or flat plastic to gently peel off these pads. So you could remove the screw. I'm not gonna show how I'm going to remove all of the screws because that's just gonna waste time. So, and voila! Now this upper part is our concern because if you try pressing on these domes, it's not really hard to press. There's some hair. It's actually very, very easy to press. So the problem is obviously here. And if you try like moving it up and down, some of it are really hard to. Well, it's not really that hard, but you can see there's some resistance to when you are trying to press it, especially when you're pressing it at an angle. So we need to remove that friction, and we will do that by using WD-40. Now, you might be wondering, won't WD-40 damage the plastic? I was wondering about that too, and I was looking at some forum posts, even tried the website of WD-40, and there's really nothing there that says that this damages plastic. So what we're gonna do is after a few months, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 months, I'm gonna make another video and inspect if it damaged the plastic of this keyboard. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this thin straw to apply directly on the sides where it is supposedly making contact with the this white part this white plastic. We're going to apply it between the clear plastic and the white plastic. Oh, that's too much. Alright, so I'm done, and I need to spread it out and wipe off the spillages. So I think I'll do the wiping off first. Alright, I think that's okay enough. Now we have to try to spread it. Ah, shoot. It got to the other side. Actually, the WD-40 is making the keyboard shinier. Oh, now there they are. It's peeled back, so we have to clean that too. So to avoid this mess that I created here, this is what you want to do. You would want to remove each key of the keyboard by pulling it and pressing it from the other side, like what I'm showing here. And then you take a Q-tip or a cotton bud and you dip it in the WD-40 and you gently spread it out in that part. And then put back the key that you have removed. I know this is going to probably take a lot of time to do, but at least you're not going to create a mess on your keyboard and on your desk. Remember, your keyboard is made of plastic and oil sticks to plastic. Alright, so I had to clean out that mess, so I used a cloth and water that has some detergent on it and have to wipe off the table and the keyboard twice. Like, wipe it off, change cloths and soak it in the detergent again and wipe it again so that it would be removed, because it's kind of hard to remove. Is this water or? So it's time to reassemble this keyboard and see if that worked. Now let's see if it worked. The keys are a bit easier to press, I guess. We'll never know. It's not as horrendous as last time, but we'll never know until we use the scale. There it's on. Press P. 30, 60, 60, 68, 65, 80, 95. Well, let's try it again. 80, 70, 90. Enter. Space bar. Alright, so we're not seeing, oh, there is one. Alright. So we're not seeing the 100 plus grams weight needed to push one of these buttons, so I think what we did worked. And it's been almost 1 week. So just to be transparent on how effective what we did was, I'm creating this short clip to just show you how much weight you still need. So just in case you're wondering if the effect fades off after about a week or if that's just like a single day kind of effect. Let's try pressing some keys. So this is P. It's I, K, I, Oh no, that's L. The shift key. The enter key. The tab key. Space bar. Q. W. So we don't see any more. We don't see any more of those 100 plus grams of weight needed to push the keys. So I definitely think it works. However, I should note that I'm still not comfortable with how much force I have to put on the keys to press it down. So I think what I'm gonna do, though I'm not gonna show it anymore, is that I'm going to apply more WD-40 using the Q-tip that I'm pretty sure I have mentioned earlier in the video. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you like this video, dislike or if you dislike it. Don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified when we post the 3 months later check-up of this keyboard, just to show you if it got damaged or not. Thanks for watching. Okay, that's way too much lubricant, but I don't want to take an entire day. That's hard to press. You don't want to take an entire day trying to use a small amount. If it gets damaged, it gets damaged. It gets damaged. Just going to make sure that that lubricant is spread out.